Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I got another one for you guys today. If you like Italian dressing, this is the perfect recipe for you. It's really quick, really simple, under 10 minutes to make. So all you need, of course, is your Italian dressing. You need a can of olives. I put broccoli in mine. You can use any vegetable that you want. And some macaroni salad. I use the spiral rotini curly type. You can double up it depending on how large your family is. Let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do, I put 8 cups of water in a pound of pasta. You can also read the side of the box and it'll tell you how much water to add depending on your pounds of pasta. When opening your olives, please be careful because the top is sharp. Make sure to drain all the juice out of your olives. Now I'm going to cut my olives into halves. Please be careful when using sharp objects. I prefer you don't, and please wash your hands. So all I'm going to do is just cut these in halves. Hey guys, so my noodles are nice and soft. I'm going to strain them to remove all the water. Cool my noodles down with some cold water. Now we're gonna add everything together. I have my pasta in my bowl. It's nice and cool. I'm gonna add my olives. I'm gonna add my broccoli. Then I'm going to add salt and pepper. And I'm gonna mix that up. I have my Italian dressing. Make sure you shake it up. This is what I ended up with, guys. Now it's time to serve. This recipe is so simple, so easy, really quick. If you got a potluck, a gathering, it takes under 10 minutes. And this is my Italian dressing salad. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick recipe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.